again a video about gardening, the second saying that I'm interested in. Here are tomatoes, etc., etc. I've given much more information in the earlier videos, and what I wanted to point out now is, at first, the bell peppers, they are here and they are very substantial. That's very, very interesting that such a bell pepper can grow out of such a tiny plant anyway. And also here, say, perhaps more bell peppers are coming out the next month. Not sure about that, but anyway. And here is the cucumber. It always worked during the past years. Anyway, I want to pay some attention to this plant, and that is the oregano. Here it is. And now I have already stripped off many leaves. It was blooming. That's not visible, but here are all the, say, the flowers, and I've stripped them off with a scissor. And anyway, beautiful, beautiful plant. Has so much, say, fragrant properties, and I wanted to tell somewhat more about that. So I'm harvesting oregano leaves, and the substance that is responsible for the fragrance of oregano is Eugenol, and that's also present in cloves. That is, say, the only thing that I wanted to tell. Here are cloves. Of course they are grinded, but the same substance is present in all these leaves, and of course you can take that out, and I'm going to do that. Here are all these leaves. I'm going to grind them and perhaps immerse them in a certain brine to make that they can hold out during the coming months, and I have still that beautiful fragrance of oregano. Well, that was all. Thanks for watching. Small overview of my garden with tomatoes, especially tomatoes and bell peppers.